All right, this is how you start a race car. Old ass race car like this. This is how you see the starter's right here, right? So you just get a pipe and then you tap it. Try it?
Yep.
No, nothing?
Nada.
Oh, fuck. Oh, I think, here, try it again. Oh, there's nothing.
Nothing.
I think it's dead, dude. You just need to buy a starter.
I think it's dead.
Or we can push start it.
I mean, if you want to try, I guess.
We'll push start it.
Yeah, and go in reverse.
We'll put it in reverse. All right. So if the pipe doesn't work, then you just have to push it.
Yep.
Ready? All right, try it. There we go.
There we go.
That's how you do it. Needs a new starter. Should be cheap.
Just need a Carlo.
The what?
So you just need a Carlo.
Oh yeah, I know. The human starter. Okay. Yeah, this is a sick race car. Built like in the early 2000s, I believe. Oh no. See if it'll start. Or else I have to like push again.
That's a starter done.
Oh man. All right, let's try again. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it again. Better not like shut it off. That's like my whole days of like, you know, workout already. Yeah. Make sure you don't stall. That sounds good though. You know, I can't wait to like get this car out the racetrack. There you go. Perfect. That was a good one. We're gonna do like just episode for that. Humans. We start. Well, the pipe technique didn't work.
Race car stuff.
You know, if tapping the starter doesn't work with the pipe or pry bar, then they push start. But definitely needs a new starter. Here's the pipe.
Thank you. Yeah, I think I have another starter for it. Actually, I got a box of all this stuff for the Civic too. I got a bunch of like bushings and like ball joints and stuff like that.
Yeah, hopefully you don't have to take off. Well, I'm pretty sure you have to take this off, but not the whole throttle body, just because it's angled like that. Might have to. What is this? The oil cooler? Yeah, because it's so compact.
I'll figure it out.
Yeah, they'll figure it out.
Could just be a relay too.
Nah, I don't think. It's like an
Old cars, probably not.
Yeah, it's really old.
Cool.
All right, shut it off because we're gonna die of carbon monoxide here.
That's 100 octane, man.
Oh shit.
It burns
Oh,
a little
shit.
bit.
Did it came with this sticker?
No,
Oh, no, you
I put that on.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, did you see the other ones, the fenders?
0 lux given. But it looks like the color is actually,
I know it matches it
right?
well, huh?
Freaking matches
Yeah.
the car.
Yeah, it's a lucky dog.
Sick.
Yeah. But yeah, I gotta go take care of this alignment real quick.
All right, right on, dude.